Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Kanchan, your English teacher. This time I have taken the grammar topic determiners. So we will see what are determiners. So determiners are those words which are placed before a noun. So in another word, a determiner is a word that precedes a noun to specify its quantity, and also it also tells whether noun is general or specific. So, two cats, one dog, the dog, etc. All determiners are classified as an article like a and the, a demonstrative, this, that, these, those, a possessive, my, your, his, her, its, are, their, a quantifier, many, much, more, most, etc. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 20, ordinals, first, second, third, fourth, last, next, etc. So these are determiners. We see the example like here, a hen laid an egg yesterday. So in this sentence, the sentence is talking about a hen, an egg. An elephant killed a boy. Here, this sentence is talking about an elephant and also a boy. She wants to be a painter. Again, it is mentioning that she wants to become a painter. I saw a boy reading a book, and then the is a weekend form of that, like call the boy who is waiting. It means कि this sentence is talking about the boy, specify the boy who is waiting outside, and the apples in that basket are sweet. It means this sentence is talking about the apples which are kept in a basket, and the apples are sweet. So we have seen that determiners are those words which are placed in the beginning of a noun to specify its quantity and about with whom it is related, and also about it tells about the possessive, like if I say this is my book, so my book, my is here determiner. It is showing that this book is mine. Next is there here, I sit on the first bench. It means it is showing the number of bench, means first. First it is ordinals, again it is determiner. And then if I say I have seen a boy, it is here article and it is playing the role of determiner. If I say I have seen the boy who was standing outside, it is showing and it is specifying the boy who was standing outside. So these are determiners. It may be articles, it may be demonstrative, possessive, quantifier, number, ordinals. So these are placed before a noun and they tell about noun. Okay, thank you and Jai Hind.